In this tutorial, you will learn about how an author works in OJS, from new submission through to proofreading the final galley. Start a new submission by clicking the New Submission button on the right side of the screen. Step 1. In Step 1, you will provide preliminary information about your submission. To begin, select the appropriate section for your submission. Read and agree to the statements in the submission checklist by checking each box. Include any comments for the editor. Read the journal's privacy statement, and then click the Save and Continue button to move to Step 2. Step 2. On Step 2, a window will open allowing you to upload your submission file. First, you must select an article component. This lets the system know whether the file is the body of the manuscript, an image, a dataset, etc. Once you've made that selection, you can then upload your first file. It is important to note that you can only upload one file at a time. Additional files can be uploaded later. Step 3. On Step 3, you will be asked to add more information about the submission, including the title of the submission, the abstract, and any additional contributors. You can add more contributors by clicking the Add Contributors link. This will open a new window with fields to enter their information. Hit Save, and the new contributor will appear on the screen. Depending on the journal you are submitting to, you may see additional fields to complete, such as keywords. To enter keyword, simply type the word or phrase and hit your Enter key. Click Save and Continue to move forward. Step 4. On Step 4, you will be asked to confirm that you are happy with your submission. Click Finish Submission. Your submission is now complete. The editor has been notified of your submission. Over the coming days, it will move into the review stage, and if accepted, into the copy editing and production stages, before being published. Once the review process has completed, you will be notified via email by the editor of their decision. After receiving the email, log in to your dashboard. From here, you can see the decision and a link to the editor's notification. Based on the information in the editor's message, you must now prepare your revisions. After revising your paper, by scrolling down the page, you will find a panel for revisions. Use the Upload a File link to upload your revised manuscript. Your next step is to inform the editor that the revised file is now available. To do so, go to the Review Discussion panel. Select the editor's name. Add a subject line and a message. Hit OK to send the message. At this point, the author needs to wait to hear back from the editor as to whether the revisions are acceptable. If accepted, you will receive an email from the editor. Click the latest link to open the message. This dashboard shows a sample accepted paper submission notification. Further down your dashboard, you will also see a discussion reply from the editor. You've been accepted and your submission file is moving on to the copyright stage. The next step in the workflow is to inspect your submission files that have been copy edited. You will receive an email indicating that files are available. Select the copy editing link to go to the copy editing discussions panel. Read the message and open the attached file. Once you have read the attached file, you can respond to the copy editor indicating required changes or your approval. If needed, you could attach a revision, but for this example, we will simply approve the changes and hit OK. On your dashboard, you can see that you were the last person to reply the message. Your role in the copy editing process is now complete, and you can wait for the request to proofread the final galleys before publication. The next step in the workflow is to inspect your submission files that have been converted into galleys. You will receive an email indicating that files are available. Click on the link discussion to open it. Read the message and open the attached file. Once you have read the attached file, you can respond to the layout editor, indicating any required changes or your approval. That's all. Your role in the editorial workflow is now completed.